welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful butterfly bows from KSCRAFT March 2024 release. I'm not sure if they're still available, but if it is, I'll put the link in the description box below. This is a special request from someone on Instagram who wanted to know how to make these butterfly bows, and there's some big ones and small ones, as you can see, with the danglecharms that I've added at the bottom here. So I'll show you the smaller one. It's the same concept for the big and the small. And yeah, so this paper collection is from the new collection Smileformiles from Beavalint's collection. And so what I did was I cut out 2 times of this pattern here. One is gold for the bottom and the other one is the pattern paper for the top. And I did that with the base wings as well. So for the base wing, I have the gold paper at the bottom, and then I also had a solid piece of paper, and I already pre-cut it so that it won't take as much time. So it's the same size. So yeah, I'll explain what I did later on. And then 2 pieces of this part here, one in gold and one of design paper of your choice. And as well as this part here where you wrap all the things together, and also a jemmy, a heart jemmy, 2 jump rings, which is here, as well as a little dangle charm. So what I did was, for the pattern or colored paper, what I did was, I'll just show you the gold part here. You see the stitching? That's what I did. I just cut the stitching off of the pattern paper. So if you could see here, this is the pattern paper. I cut out the stitching so that you could see the gold underneath it. So that's how I did it. So let's pretend I'm cutting through it around, all the way around, and then yeah, so this is how I'm doing it close up. As you can see, there's stitching here at the side. I'm cutting through that right on top. Just keep on going all the way around, and then there. So now when you glue this on, the gold piece, the gold is sticking out. So that's how I did it. Isn't that so beautiful? So I didn't completely glue everything on there, but you could, because you can make it look layered. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue in the middle, and stick it onto the gold, just like this. There we go. So that's one part of the wings, and let's continue on to this part of the wing. So here's the gold, and then here's the pattern paper or color paper on top of the wing, and I started cutting all the way around the stitched lines, on top of the stitched lines, and I reached to the end here, and then we're almost done, if you can see. And then we're gonna glue this onto the gold base. Just like that. And then we have this one that we're going to put right on top of that one, like this. And then let's move on to this one here. So I started cutting on top of the stitch lines, and then we're getting to the end here. There we go. And let's glue this on. I'm going to glue all of it. I'm not going to leave any spaces behind. And we're going to line this up right inside the stitch lines, this colored paper, just like this. I'm going to turn on my glue gun. And what we're going to do now is kind of use the edge of your desk to kind of make this bow curve, because this part is going to be this part here. So just going to curve it. So I kind of curved it, and let's gonna put some glue on these tabs here and some on this side. And we're going to slightly bend it like this, and also the other side like that. There we go. We're almost done. Need to press on it some more. Making sure that it kind of aligns like that. And now we're going to put the butterfly together. This one is at the bottom, the largest piece of wing with these little points sticking out like that. And then this one goes in the middle. We're kind of making like a butterfly sandwich. And then this little part, this bow, and we're going to take, and once you have all of this layered up, oh, and we also have this piece here that we could put right on top of this, or let's see what I did. Okay, we're gonna wrap this first. So once you got this in your left hand, you can put this here and start wrapping it around like this. And also we're going to put a dab of glue on the end and wrap this one around just like that. There we go. We're almost there. Just waiting for it to adhere. And you can even fluff this up. This piece here. And this piece here. Just like this. Look how pretty this is. And we're going to stick this middle part with the head and the antennae onto the middle here. Put some glue on the body, just in the middle, and we're going to stick this on. So it looks like, whoops, sorry. It looks like this. It's so pretty, it's so cool. Yeah, I try to make different butterflies from different collections from the American Crafts Maggie Holmes collection. And so I'm making an embellishment book, so I have so many different projects to put into my embellishment book. So now I have this new collection that's Smileformiles, so I made one like this that I can put into a Smileformile embellishment book that I'm gonna start. It's gonna be so awesome. I'm so excited to show you all these embellishment books that I'm gonna complete. Like I've have all the embellishments. I just need to put it all together, and I have like so many embellishment books. I'm just can't wait to show you guys all of them. And so okay, now next up is that we're gonna put the charm. You see here this charm with the little heart at the bottom. You can, and for the bigger ones I used a bigger gemmy here, bigger gemmy heart, but the same gold heart at the bottom here. So yeah, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. So I have this ready. And so what we're gonna do is we're going to, and if you have some like finger protectors, you can put them on too. I find that I still end up like hurting, like burning myself, but anyways, maybe this might help you. I don't know. It's sort of like a thing here. So I think Scrap Diva Designs has like some kind of something like this, but it's white. So I'm not sure if they still have it. You can, if I have the link, I'll put it in the description box below. And so I think it's warm enough, the glue gun. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick one of the jump rings. We're going to put the small jump ring into the little heart gold charm like this, and then attach it to the bigger jump ring that is closed. This one's opened already. I opened it, and then close it up. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna use a plier to close up the jump ring. I need another plier. There we go. And so here's the bigger piece. We're gonna try to stick it onto the heart charm like this. So I'm gonna start putting a dab of glue onto the bottom part of the heart charm, the resin piece. Okay. It's kind of, I think I need a tweezer here, and then try to stick it onto the bottom of your resin piece. Be careful, everything is really hot. It kind of already cooled down already. I'm like too slow. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove the hot glue. Let me try a different way. I'm going to put the glue on the paper here. Not sure why the, oh no, it wasn't coming out before, now it's like coming out. Okay, I put a dab on the body, and then we're gonna take our tweezer and we're gonna, and then put it halfway onto the glue, if possible, like this. There we go. And then we're gonna use this piece, and so we're gonna put some more glue on top of that, like this. And then the little heart resin piece on top like this. Oops. Got shaky hands. Okay, so then it's done. Isn't this so beautiful? Yeah, it's really simple. It's just like a lot of work cutting on the stitch line, but yeah, this is how it looks in the end. Isn't it so awesome? I hope you like this tutorial, and I've got more tutorials coming, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.